75-gallon tankless water heater, I'm sorry, 75-gallon tank water heater installation. We're going to be going this way. Probably have to have these doors off. There's our entry point. Runners for the floor, going down the steps. There's enough room between the wall and the handrail so that can stay. Steps have been modified. Watch your head going up and down here. Continue around. Again, door may have to come off. Taking out a 75-gallon, putting in a 75-gallon. I'm going to double check the sizing of our new 75-gallon. There it is. We are also installing a new water softener, 1.0 or 1.5 to be determined. There's our flue vent. We'll need a thermal expansion tank. Dielectric unions. Put the current B vent. Good.